My name is Muhammad Ali Jr. I'm the son of Idris Muhammad Ali. Powerful to read. That's right. I took this course and I'm learning how to speak and be a leader. The changes is great because now I'm a great speaker, I'm a great leader, I'm a great son of all time. I thank Harry and Lily for this great opportunity to become a great speaker and leader. They're teaching me everything I know, and I'm so appreciative. Come here, Harry. You did great, Lily, you've been great. And God, I would never be able to speak like this if it wasn't for these two people.
Thank you so much.
My name is Jael Ortiga. I am an intuitive consultant and energy healer. I was super scared always to speak in public. It would be something that bring me to tears all the time. But now I can tell that I can pass my message across because Harry and Lily have created a space where I can be vulnerable and safe and super comfortable. So I can highly recommend this experience to anybody who's struggling with public speaking.
I'm Tom Thompson. I'm a tree consultant. I wasn't very good at public speaking. I was telling people that I was passionate about trees, but they weren't really connecting. I forgot to breathe, and I wasn't even looking at the camera. And that's when I did Speakers Are Leaders with Harry and Lily. I actually took their advice and I got on their course. And they gave me some structure to my speech. They gave me some flow to my presentation. They put some energy and passion into my presentation and gave me the art of storytelling to really make an impact with my audience. So thank you to Speakers and Leaders for helping me to improve my speaking, my public speaking, and to get my message across.
My name is Abby. I'm a multi-award-winning skin therapist here in London. I really struggle with public speaking, public appearances. And that's why Lily and Harry's course has been fabulous because they have taught me how to structure my words so that I can communicate what I need to say. And also they've done it in a really fun and informative way. And I've met really great people that all are aligned together to make an impact and change in the world.
My name is David.
I'm a lawyer by trade and a human rights activist. I need to develop my skills. That's why I came here to join Harry and Lily. I'm learning. As you can see, I am a little bit nervous, but I'm learning. I'm developing myself. I'm making the change because I want the possibility to express myself better, much better.
I'm Irina. I'm an nutrition therapist. Had a huge fear of public speaking. Ever since I can remember, it was as bad as me banking cars, getting out, and just whenever I could, avoiding it. Just by chance, a friend of mine recommended me Harry and Lily's Speakers Are Leaders workshop. And oh my gosh, it has absolutely changed my life. I have learned so much, amazing techniques, fantastic energy, the best skills, the best expertise. I would like to highly thank Harry and Lily for having us today and for absolutely transforming our lives and really helping us to unleash the leaders and speakers within each and single one of us.
My name is Rosvan Sandu. I've been an entrepreneur. Yesterday and today I attended Speakers Are Leaders, and I found here a lot of great information, a lot of great energy. I found here a lot of great leaders and great speakers. I learned a lot. So now I feel more empowered, more ready to share my message, my knowledge, and my inspiration with others. The possibilities are limitless.
My name is Amal Alexander and I'm the director and CEO of Amalina Productions. When I've recently met Lily and Harry and they told me about this workshop. I actually hate being in front of the camera. I prefer to be behind the camera. But because of them, this amazing workshop, which is the Speakers Are Leaders, because I am a leader, it was great. It was amazing. The energy was astronomical. And I feel proud to be here and to call them a friend.
I'm Christina Cole and I'm an accountant entrepreneur. So this weekend, I attended Speakers Are Leaders, and I used to struggle with sales and marketing and public speaking. I really learned a lot from this Speakers Are Leaders workshop because it's a highly experiential training, and the speakers like Harry and Lily are really professionals and they know their style.
So there's so much learning from them. I highly recommend you to attend the next Speakers and Leader event.
My name is Gerald and I am a life coach. Well, I went to this event, that was an amazing event. There was plenty of energy, there was plenty of speakers, and there was plenty of great information out there. So if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, if you want to get started and you're not sure how, then come to our next one. I guarantee it's going to be amazing.
Study Squad Prudential Assurance. I've been there for the last 80 years. And I have this fear of speaking to groups. But 6 months ago, I've discovered that there's this group called Speakers and Leaders. And I've been attending their sessions, and they've taught me how to engage with big groups of people in a very fun way, in a very engaging way. And I strongly recommend that all of you should attend their sessions and learn the secrets of speaking in public.
My name is Kellen. I'm an investor. I travel around the world with clients. I used to struggle with speaking, especially right in front of the camera, until I discovered Speakers Are Leaders through Harry, Lily, and Hok Chong. I highly recommend Speakers Are Leaders because first, it is fun. Second, it's through experience we learn how to speak. And third, I'm doing right now. So my name is Kellen.
My name is Ronami. I've been a database administrator for 4 years. I don't have my confidence in talking in public or to anyone, but when I came to Harry and Lily's event, it gave me more confidence and the chance to raise my self-esteem, to talk in public, and to deal with everyone. I would highly recommend their team, Lily and Harry.
My name is Sabi. I'm a chef. I have a little bit of a fear of speaking in public, and tonight Harry and Didi, they helped me come over that, and I hope I gain more confidence and things, and that in the future I can crack this and I can help in public and everything. Thanks very much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mystique. I'm a celebrity author, international speaker, and founder of System and Mentorship Program. I wanted to give up because I said, I'm done with this world. I have nothing to do. The world has nothing to offer me. After I met Lily and Harry, I'm so excited and fired up and ready to step up and bring my speaking career to the world.
My name is Ashley. I'm working in the One Real Estate Agency in Dubai. I'm so grateful to have this opportunity to talk actually in front of you. It's one of my fear actually, and thank you so much for this. I'm just used to talk in just 4 corners, but not in front of many people. And I have just learned from you and from Mr. Harry that people will buy you first before they buy the opportunity. So thank you so much, and I've learned a lot.
Hi, I'm Rafi. I'm a sales director for. I was having this trouble of speaking in public. It was one of my worst fear. But after attending Harry and Lily's training sessions, I have more confidence now, and I'm also excited to impart this with my people.
My name is Gina, and I host experiential events such as this. Even before meeting Lily and Harry, I also struggled in hosting as well because we all have butterflies in the stomach. And I still don't have my personal brand. But thanks to Lily specifically and Harry, because they powered me up, fired me up to have my own personal brand as a host. And hopefully I will make some peer events.
Hello, my name is Patrascu. I'm a marketing manager, and I learned so much from Lily and Harry how to speak on stage that everyone is nervous. So I highly recommend Lily and Harry.
Hi, my name's Christian Crew, and for the last 3 years I've been struggling with my public speaking. And I've spent a lot of hours on YouTube watching the videos and watching everybody on there, but quite frankly, it's just not good enough. And until you there, you come and join the Speakers Are Leaders course hosted by Harry, who is an absolute legend. It's going to change your life. It's going to be a complete and utter game changer. It was for me, and I can personally say it's made a real difference. So I would highly recommend joining the course. Get joined, stop making excuses, and stop watching videos on YouTube. this will change your life.
My name is Alex Garces. I'm an international speaker and I teach people how to read twice as fast as people on stage. And it's very important for me to get not only the message across, but to get engagement. And Harry has been a good friend and I've learned so much from him because he's a very positive guy, always smiling. I really strongly recommend his workshop, Speakers and Leaders, because he comes with a lot of value and he has time for you to go deeper into sometimes things that you don't even notice are missing and make the whole thing.
Hi, my name is Eva and I work as a supervisor. Since I was a child, I've always had problems with speaking in the front of an audience, and that's something I've always wanted to change and get more confidence. Even though I feel very confident in speaking, in having direct contact with my customers. So the course was amazing, the atmosphere was great, and the leader, the coach was also great. So I would highly recommend the course. It's going to shift your life to the next level, and it's something amazing, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone.
My name is Noah Perman and I'm currently in sales for professional services. I thought I'd be a hell of a lot more nervous, but it's the energy in the room that's created by Harry that actually makes it really, really easy. So hopefully if we can learn speak in this sort of environment where it's relatively relaxed, a very positive environment, then what you can do is transfer that outside of the course. The thing that enticed me to come to the event was actually Harry himself. So he was talking about speakers and leaders, and I don't know if you've ever seen him on stage, but he's phenomenal. So he sold it himself. So I just want to become like some sort of way he can control the room. For speakers and leaders, so this specific session, the thing I love most about it is just the energy, and it's meeting like-minded people as well whilst at these events. So it's a great networking opportunity. You're developing a skill, and the speakers and Harry and Lily, they're absolutely fantastic.
My name is Waqas Hussain and I'm a personal stylist for high-profile individuals. The reason why I want to become a speaker is because I actually want to influence people on doing the right thing, and to actually show them what can actually be improved. I believe what I love the most about speakers, our leaders, is all of the people they actually bring to the stage. It's not just about themselves, it's not just about what they will actually want to put across to you. They actually give a chance to other speakers to present themselves, to actually give you a lot more information, and for what they actually are doing, I think it's an incredible job.
Hi guys, it's my second time attending Speakers and Leaders, and wow, I can't believe I'm here again. Literally a year ago was my first step to obviously engaging in Speakers and Leaders. I was off social media, I was off the public eye for about 3 years, and I came across Speakers and Leaders the first time, and I really wanted to really understand I guess there was something deep in me that I really wanted to get out. I wasn't quite sure on how to approach it, on what to do, which platform to engage in. So I went to Speakers and Leaders the first time, and I didn't quite know what to expect. I went there with an open mind, and wow, it was absolutely transformational, because throughout the course of the weekend, you actually learn how to find your voice. And when you do, you actually realize and see that you have a voice. So I came out of the first Speakers and Leaders with a voice that I knew the world needed to hear. Today, I'm here at Speakers and Leaders for the second time with, I guess, no expectation, but just realizing and feeling and seeing how far in the last 9 months from, where I was and how I came, and seeing all these new individuals really here, really wanting to do the same thing, and maybe they want to find their voice. But I'm here just to see and realize and think on how far I've come, support everyone here that's here for the first time, but also learn more, because you can always take on more and refresh yourself, add new tools to your toolbox. So, I'm really proud to be part of Speakers and Leaders, and it's definitely really changed and transformed who I am in terms of voice and as a person in the public eye, because your message is strong. And I'm here to really enhance that. Public speaking is definitely a tool that you want to have in your toolbox. The power of your voice vibration moves mountains. So I'll really advise for you to really, if this isn't a tool that you have, or it's something that you don't really feel confident in embracing, please do
join a workshop, come to Speakers Are Leaders, and really try and unleash that voice, because the power of your message and voice really moves mountains. And you don't have to be an international speaker or a public speaker, just using it in your everyday life, getting yourself, your inner self out there and heard. I always say, you don't need to be right, you need to be heard. So really embrace your voice.